Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Sandhya Chand of Commerce Department, and today I'll be presenting you a video lesson on subsistence agriculture. I hope you all are safe and following all the protocols of COVID-19. Make sure you wash your hands regularly, wear your mask. If you are moving around in a crowded area, make sure you follow the protocol of 2 meter distance. These are some of the protocols you should be following if you are in a crowded area, and try not to go in a crowded place. Stay away from the crowded place. That is your safety. And I am very glad to be presenting you people a video lesson on subsistence agriculture. Firstly, the aim of this is to introduce the concept of subsistence agriculture and its practical uses. Objectives: at the end of this lesson, the student should be able to define what is subsistence agriculture, identify the different types of subsistence agriculture, and choose a type of subsistence agriculture and practically apply that at home. What is subsistence agriculture? It occurs when farmers grow food crops to meet the needs of themselves and their families on small holdings. Subsistence agriculturist targets farm output for survival and for local requirements with little or no surplus. This means that farmers or families, they plant food crops for their own use. And if you've got lot of plantings at home and you think that it is more than enough for your family, then you can either buy that or give it to the poor ones. Examples of subsistence agriculture: backyard gardening, that is one way of subsistence agriculture at home. That is the practice of utilizing any kind of space you have in order to grow and produce your own food. Whether you have a small or a large yard or even your balcony, you can have a backyard farm. Like in the picture you can see that at the back of the house you can even plant some small vegetables at the back of your backyard. Planting in PET bottles. PET bottles are cut in half and hung on the walls using strings. They are then filled with soil mixed with manure, and vegetables of your own choice could be done. Planting in PVC waste pipes. That could be also hung or screwed on the walls and filled with soil mixed with manure, and then the vegetables planted. In the diagram you can see how PVC pipes are used for planting vegetables. These are some of the ways which we can use while we are home, even though we don't have any space at home for planting. Also, planting in bamboo. Bamboo is readily available in Fiji and is free. The picture illustrates how it could be cut and used for planting. You can see the bamboo, it's cut and then used for planting and then hung on the walls. So it is another way of planting, even though if you don't have any space for planting at the bottom layer of or any land, you can do planting vertically. These are some of my own subsistence gardens. As you can see, I am also doing, while I was staying at home, I was also doing cabbage farming, bale, and dhania farming. I got little bit of space at the backyard and in the front of my house. So I was doing some of the gardening also at home. And finally, subsistence farming supplies fresh fruits and vegetables for the family. Using bamboo and pipe enables us to plant even if you do not have space for gardens. And it also saves money and keeps you busy and healthy. So at the end of this video, I hope that at least you must have got idea of how you can do subsistence farming at home using bamboo pipes or even in plastic ice cream containers. You can do your planting over there in the waste PVC pipes. You can also do the farming over there, and at the same time you will be having fresh fruits and vegetables at home at no cost, and also it will save your money. And another thing is that you will be always busy and healthy while you are at home, because if you are not busy then you will be feeling very bored. And at this time I very much know that most of the parents are not working due to this COVID-19 pandemic. uh, People are not having jobs, so the best way to save money, whatever we have in our pocket or savings in our bank, we can utilize that and save that money if we do subsistence farming at home. And that will make us busy and also healthy. So finally, thank you and have a safe teaching and learning.